Hey guys, Tim here from Suburb Stack, and today we're going to be pushing our Suburb pages live using Suburb Connect. So obviously, first and foremost, after you're done with your page template, you've added your content, images, branding, you've added your additions and your metadata, schema, code snippets, so your locations as well. So you're happy to go ahead and push your pages live. So we'll just confirm that obviously our pages aren't live at the moment. Yeah, so we get a 404 and we went to Suburb Connect is used for um, Cloudflare domains. So your domain must be on Cloudflare before publishing to Suburb Connect. It's also for any website or CMS that we don't currently support. So right now we support WordPress with more CMSs and integrations to come. So if your CMS is, say for example, Wix or any other page builder, then you need to use Suburb Connect with your domain on Cloudflare. So we're happy to click publish. Let's reset that, start over. Get to the first step here, which is fetch existing DNS settings. You're going to put your host name in there, fetch the records, and then it's going to give us two A records here that it's pulled from your domain. The next step is actually confirm that these A records are correct. If you're using Cloudflare, which Suburb Stack Connect supports, then these A records aren't going to be correct. So we need to actually remove these and add in and confirm your A record on Cloudflare. So in Cloudflare here, we can see on our root domain, we've got an A record, and it's this IP address here. So we need to copy that across. And back in Suburb Stack here, paste our A record. It's super important that you do this step correctly, otherwise your website will obviously be affected. So we need to add the record and click next, and then generate the DNS requirements to publish Suburb Stack. So now we have three records to add: a CNAME, which is our proxy target, two TXTs, one for SSL, which is obviously HTTPS, and one for Cloudflare verification. So the first one is a CNAME, which is obviously super important. Let's copy across that value, and we're adding it to our root host name. So in Cloudflare, obviously, if you have your A record and you try and add a new root, then it's actually not going to let us add that record. See in the error, the error message at the bottom, it says an A, quadruple A or CNAME record with that host already exists. So what we actually have to do here is click edit on your root A record, change it from an A to a CNAME, keep the root, and change the target to the one that is in Suburb Stack. Make sure you've got no spaces at the end or the beginning. Make sure proxy's ticked, and then save. As you can see here, updated our root record to a CNAME with our correct target there. So let's go and add our TXTs now. The TXT, change to target value, save. Some spaces at either end. Just preview your record here so we're not double appending our root. Perfect. So, yep. Name, you, root, save that. So we've got our 3 records added now. Let's go verify them in Suburb Stack. So we've added these 3. Let's click next. Records might take a while. So as you can see here, host name is active, SSL is pending validation. So this usually takes 10 to 15 minutes, but come back and retry it and it should be verified. Awesome. So it's been about 10 minutes. The DNS, SSL, and the Cloudflare verification records are active. So let's go and publish our pages. And before you go live, we need to confirm we've personalized the template, done our renditions, added our metadata, and our locations. Obviously, you can't publish your pages until you've confirmed or ticked all these boxes. Awesome. And the sitemaps will be published as well afterwards. Let's go ahead and click go live. Sure, yes. Be absolutely sure, yes. Awesome. So pages are now live. And verify that by clicking here. So as you can see here, we're live. Team's rowing. Just on the live. If we want to, we can go ahead and publish these sitemaps across. So to Google Search Console and also the footer of your main website and your Substack page as well. So we'll go ahead and create the sitemaps ready to go. And of course, we go back to our main domain. We are still live. So that's how you publish Suburb Stack pages on a different CMS using Suburb Connect.